Hello, everyone, and welcome back to my Slow English Daily Podcast. Thank you so much for being here today. I am very happy you are listening. I'm Tom. I am your friend, and I am here to help you learn English. Don't worry. My English is slow, clear, and easy to understand. Today, I want to talk about something very important. It is something we all do every day. Today's topic is daily routine. A daily routine means the things we do every day. For example, waking up, eating, working, and sleeping. We all have a daily routine, but everyone is a little different. In this podcast, I will talk about my daily routine using simple English. And if you like this podcast, please subscribe to the channel. You can also like and share this podcast with your friends. It really helps the channel grow. Thank you for your support. In this channel, we learn English in a slow and easy way. You do not need to hurry. You do not need to feel shy. You can listen again and again. This channel is for beginners and for anyone who wants simple English. I also want to tell you something nice. You can listen to this podcast anytime and anywhere. You can listen at home. You can listen while walking. You can listen while cooking or working. Even if you are busy, you can still learn English. This podcast is like a friendly conversation. I speak slowly so you can understand the words. You can listen, relax, and enjoy learning. Learning English takes time, so be patient with yourself. Every small step is good. You are doing great just by listening. Are you ready? Are you comfortable? Take a deep breath. Relax your mind. Okay, let's begin together. Let's talk about my daily routine. Every day, I wake up early in the morning. I usually wake up at 6 o'clock. When my alarm rings, I open my eyes slowly. I do not jump out of bed. I take a few seconds to wake up. First, I turn off my alarm. Then I sit on my bed and stretch my body. Stretching helps me feel good. It helps my body wake up. After that, I get out of bed. I make my bed neatly. I like my room clean and calm in the morning. A clean room makes me feel relaxed. Next, I go to the bathroom. I wash my face with cold water. Cold water helps me feel fresh and awake. Then I brush my teeth. I brush my teeth slowly and carefully. After brushing my teeth, I look in the mirror. I smile at myself. I tell myself, today will be a good day. Positive words help my mind feel strong. Sometimes I take a shower in the morning. I like warm water. It relaxes my body and clears my mind. After the shower, I dry my body and get dressed. After I finish in the bathroom, I go to the kitchen. The kitchen is quiet in the morning. I like the peace and silence. First, I drink a glass of water. Drinking water in the morning is very healthy. It helps my body wake up. Then I prepare my breakfast. My breakfast is simple. I usually eat bread and eggs. Sometimes I eat fruit like bananas or apples. I also drink tea or coffee. While I eat breakfast, I do not rush. I eat slowly and enjoy my food. Sometimes I listen to soft music. Sometimes I listen to a podcast in English. This helps me practice listening. After breakfast, I clean the table. I wash the dishes and put them away. I like to keep my kitchen clean. Next, I take a few minutes to plan my day. I think about what I need to do: work, study, or personal time. Planning helps me feel organized. Sometimes I read a book in the morning. Sometimes I write a few notes. Other days I practice English. I read simple sentences or listen to slow English. Before I leave the house, I check my phone. I check the time. I check my messages, but I do not spend too much time on my phone. Finally, I put on my shoes and get ready to go out. I feel fresh, calm, and ready for the day. This is how I wake up and spend my morning. A good morning helps me have a good day. After I finish my morning activities, I get ready to leave the house. I check that I have everything I need: my phone, my keys, and my bag. I do not like to forget important things. Before I leave, I say goodbye to my family. I also take a deep breath. I feel calm and ready for the day. Then I leave the house. The air in the morning is fresh and cool. I like the morning feeling. I usually go to work by bus. Sometimes I walk if the place is close. Walking in the morning is good for my body and my mind. I see people going to work and school. Everyone looks busy but calm. When I am on the bus, I sit and relax. I look out of the window. I see cars, shops, and people. Sometimes I listen to music. Sometimes I listen to slow English. This helps me learn while I travel. If I go to school, I carry my books and notebooks. I think about my classes. I think about what I will learn today. Learning something new makes me feel happy. When I arrive at work, I greet my coworkers. I say, "Good morning." They smile and say it back. A friendly greeting makes the day better. At work, I turn on my computer. I check my tasks for the day. I start my work slowly and carefully. I try to do my best. If I am at school, I go to my classroom. I sit down and get ready. I listen to my teacher. I take notes and ask questions. I try to understand everything. Sometimes the day feels long. Sometimes it feels easy. But I remind myself that work and school are important. They help me grow and learn. Going to work or school is part of my daily routine. It is not always fun, but it is meaningful. Every day I learn something new, and that is a good thing. Now let's talk about afternoon activities. In the afternoon, my day continues. After the morning work or school, I usually feel a little tired, but I still have things to do. First, I eat lunch. Lunch is important for energy. I eat simple food like rice, vegetables, or chicken. Sometimes I eat with my friends or coworkers. We talk and laugh together. This makes the afternoon better. After lunch, I go back to work or school. In the afternoon, I try to focus. I finish my tasks step by step. I work slowly and carefully. Sometimes I feel sleepy in the afternoon. When this happens, I drink water. Sometimes I drink tea or coffee. I also stand up and stretch my body. This helps me feel active again. If I am at school, I attend my afternoon classes. I listen to my teacher and take notes. I try my best to understand the lesson. In the afternoon, I also check my plans. I think about what I need to do later. Planning helps me feel relaxed. And now we are talking about evening activities. In the evening, my day becomes calmer. After work or school, I go back home. I feel happy to be home. First, I wash my hands and change my clothes. Comfortable clothes help me relax. Then I rest for a few minutes. After that, I eat dinner. Dinner is usually lighter than lunch. I eat with my family or alone. We talk about our day. Sharing stories makes me feel close to them. After dinner, I like to relax. Sometimes I watch TV. Sometimes I listen to music. Other times I read a book. In the evening, I also practice English. I listen to slow English podcasts. I repeat words and sentences. This helps me improve my English little by little. Sometimes I go for a short walk in the evening. The air is cool and fresh. Walking helps me clear my mind. Before the night ends, I prepare for the next day. I check my bag. I plan what I will do tomorrow. This makes my morning easier. The evening is my favorite time. It is quiet and peaceful. It helps me relax after a long day. These are my afternoon and evening activities. They help me stay balanced and calm. Now, I'm talking about my night routine. At night, I start to slow down. My body feels tired after a long day. Nighttime is for rest and peace. First, I clean up my room. I put things in the right place. A clean room helps me sleep better. Then I go to the bathroom. I brush my teeth again. I wash my face and hands. I like to feel fresh before bed. After that, I change into my pajamas. Comfortable clothes are important at night. I want my body to feel relaxed. Before sleeping, I try not to use my phone too much. I lower the light in my room. bright light makes it hard to sleep. Sometimes I read a book. Sometimes I listen to soft music. Other times I listen to slow English. This helps my mind feel calm. I also take a few minutes to think about my day. I think about the good things. I feel thankful for small moments. This makes my heart feel peaceful. Before I sleep, I set my alarm for the next morning. I like to be ready. Then I get into bed. I take a deep breath. I close my eyes slowly. I let my body rest. Soon I fall asleep. So this is my daily routine, from waking up in the morning to sleeping at night. These small habits help me stay organized and calm. Everyone has a different daily routine. Your routine may be different from mine, and that is okay. I hope this podcast helps you learn English. I hope the slow and simple words help you understand better. Thank you so much for listening today. If you enjoy this podcast, please subscribe to the channel. You can also like and share it with your friends. Your support means a lot to me. Remember, you can listen to this podcast anytime and anywhere, at home, at work, or while walking. Even if you are busy, you can still learn English. Learning English takes time. Do not rush. Do not give up. You are doing great. Thank you for spending your time with me. I will see you in the next episode. And goodbye, everyone.